Did you know that around 35% of adults are not getting the recommended 7 hours of sleep per night? That's over a third of the population potentially walking around like tired zombies. Surprising, isn't it? But it's a grim reality that many of us are facing today. We've become so engrossed in our busy lives that we often forget or undervalue the importance of a good night's sleep. This lack of sleep can lead to a weakened immune system, making us more susceptible to illnesses. It can cause mood swings, making us feel irritable, anxious, or depressed. And over time, chronic sleep deprivation can even increase our risk of serious health conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Yes, sleep is that important. It's not just about feeling refreshed and energetic. It's also about maintaining our overall health and well-being. So if you've been struggling with sleep, you're definitely not alone. But don't worry, we've got some tips that might just help. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more sleep tips. Remember Mark, the friend who could sleep through an earthquake? He swears by the power of a consistent sleep schedule. Now, Mark was a night owl, staying up till the wee hours and struggling to rise with the sun. His sleep patterns were as erratic as a roller coaster ride. But then he stumbled upon the magic of setting an internal clock and everything changed. Mark started going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This might sound like a small tweak, but the impact was monumental. His body, like a well-oiled machine, began to respond to this regularity, making falling asleep and waking up a breeze. The groggy mornings were replaced with a newfound energy, and the incessant yawning was a thing of the past. The secret? Our bodies thrive on routine. By establishing a consistent sleep schedule, we're helping our internal clock to regulate. This makes falling asleep and waking up naturally a whole lot easier. Like Mark, you too could become a master of sleep by simply sticking to a schedule. Ever wondered why children have bedtime routines? Well, adults can benefit from them too. Picture this: a busy parent juggling work, household chores, and family time. They're constantly on the go, but when it's time to hit the hay, sleep seems elusive. They toss and turn, their mind racing with thoughts of the day gone by and the tasks for tomorrow. Then they decide to establish a bedtime routine: a warm bath, a chapter of a gripping novel, some soothing music. Simple activities that signal the body it's time to wind down. Gradually, they notice a change. Falling asleep becomes easier, the quality of their sleep improves, and they wake up feeling refreshed. This is the power of a bedtime ritual. It's not about the specific activities, but the routine itself. The predictability helps the body and mind prepare for rest. So don't underestimate the power of a good bedtime ritual. It might just be the secret to your sweet dreams. Imagine trying to sleep in a noisy, bright, and uncomfortable room. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Now let's share a story about John. John was an average Joe who had a hard time sleeping. His room was always filled with the hum of the city, the glare from the streetlights, and his old, lumpy mattress was far from a dream. Then, John decided to take control. He started by investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows, turning his bed into a cloud-like retreat. He installed blackout curtains to keep the city's glow at bay, and a white noise machine to drown out the urban symphony. And voila, his sleep improved dramatically. John's story serves as a reminder that the environment plays a crucial role in our sleep quality. A dark, quiet, and comfortable room can make all the difference. So, take the time to optimize your sleep environment. Remember, your bedroom isn't just a room. It's a sanctuary designed for rest. Ever had a sleepless night after a late-night burger or hours of binge-watching your favorite show? There's a reason behind it. Consuming large meals, caffeine, or nicotine close to bedtime can disrupt your sleep. They increase your heart rate, making it harder to wind down. Similarly, the blue light emitted by our screens can interfere with the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Let's consider the tale of Sam, a night owl who was always glued to his laptop. Sam decided to make a change. He started having lighter meals in the evening, cut down on caffeine after midday, and reduced his screen time at least an hour before bed. The result? Sam started falling asleep faster and waking up refreshed. As you can see, a few changes in your lifestyle can lead to a world of difference in your sleep. So, are you ready to give these tips a try? As we begin to wrap up our journey, let's reflect on the wisdom from the biblical verse Matthew 11:28-30, NIV. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. This verse serves as a reminder of the importance of rest and the rejuvenation it brings to our bodies and minds. Just like Sam from our previous scene, who made a conscious effort to improve his sleep habits, we too can make changes to our lifestyle for better sleep. By being mindful of our food choices, screen time, and bedtime rituals, we can combat the sleep thieves and invite more restful nights. So what changes are you going to make for a better sleep tonight?